Lesson 3, Part 4, Vocab. First, ikura, how much? Kono kasa wa ikura desu ka? 1000 yen desu. How much is this umbrella for? It's 1000 yen. Second, hyaku, 100. Kono hon wa 400 yen desu. This book is for 400 yen. Third, sen, 1000. Kono doresu wa 5000 yen desu. This dress is for 5000 yen. Fourth, man, 10,000. Kono pasokon wa 5,000 yen desu. This computer is for 50,000 yen. Fifth, sumimasen, excuse me or sorry. Sumimasen, eki wa doko desu ka? Excuse me, could you tell me where the station is? Sixth, domo, thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Seventh, irashaimase. Welcome, may I help you? Irashaimase, nanme sama desu ka? Futari desu. Welcome, how many people? Just the two of us. O misete kudasai. Please show me. Sumimasen, ano akai boshi o misete kudasai. Excuse me, could you please show me that red hat over there? Ninth, ja. Well then, in that case. Ja, mata ashita. Well then, until tomorrow. 10th, o kudasai. Please give me something. Sumimasen, mizu o kudasai. Excuse me, could you get me some water please? Country names in Japanese. Italia, Italy. Suisu, Switzerland. Furansu, France. Jakarta, Jakarta. Bangkoku, Bangkok, and Berurin, Berlin.